Hi, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm doing this video to show you my recent purchase on IKEA website. Be happy because it's a very short video, okay? ಯಾರಪ್ಪ IKEA ತುದಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಶಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋರಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಅವ್ರ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ. ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ below.
I ordered this on 3 August and they delivered on 9th August. That means yesterday. They took 6 days to deliver. I think 5 to 6 days they will take to deliver to your home. First of all, packaging is good from the outside, not from the inside, because these products came without any covers. I mean, these came just like this. I mean, it's okay for these products, but it would be better if they gave proper covering packaging. And also they gave me 3 pages of invoice copy. You have to sign it and take it. Okay, so
First product is this bath towel, yellow color. The size is really very big, 70 into 140 centimeter, and it is made up of cotton whiskers. The best part is of this towel is this fringe edging. So when you're traveling to a beach side, this is really a good option, and it also dries fast.
no.
Also you can use it as a shawl in a winter season, not heavy winter.
It available in a different colors, and its price is 399 rupees. Link is in my description box. See, this much big.
Second one is this straw light blue color. The size is really big, more than I expected. Maybe 120 into 160 centimeter.
This is really best while traveling in flight or train.
You can use it as a blanket. It's not thick, so you can easily carry while traveling. You can easily carry in your bag. I like this curvy part. This is so cute.
Colors are available in this. It is soft and lightweight.
And it's not for heavy winter. One range ge ಬೆಚ್ಚಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ. This price is 399 rupees, same. So yeah, it's 399, 798 plus 99 rupees delivery charges. Please, I think it's worth it because ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ IKEA ಹೋಗಿ IKEA ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇವ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಮೆಟ್ರೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದರೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದರೆ ಇವೆರಡು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತೀರ, ಬಟ್ ಬೇರೆದೆಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೆಸರಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ನ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಬದಲು ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ. Yes guys, this is it. This is really useful product, necessary products. You should buy this. If you are a travel person, then you should have these products. And I see you guys in my next video. Please do subscribe to my channel so it motivates me to do more videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.